country dog.
Now, Bob.
Dog lives in the city. Lola lives in the
Country.
country.
Yes.
Now, in the city, Bob sees tall buildings. In the country, Lola sees a big bomb. In the city, Bob sees a
Busy.
busy street. In the country, Lola sees long grass. Now, here. Look at it. In the city, Bob sees yellow taxi. In the country, Lola sees a red tractor. Go back and
Find each
find each of
these things.
these things. Did you find it
In
in the city or
in
in the country?
yes. Water pump.
Water pump, cow, pigeon,
Crossing signal.
crossing signal,
Bale of
bill of
straw.
straw,
Subway sign.
subway sign,
Yes. Can you find in the city or country? No.
cow,
Now, a cow. Cow is in the
country,
yes. Cow is in the country. Subway sign.
in the city.
Yes, it's in the city.
Pigeon in the city.
Yes, pigeon in the city. And water pump.
Water pump in the country.
Yes, in the country. What is it? Crossing signal.
In the city.
Yes,
Oh,
and bale of straw.
in the city.
No, in
In
the
the country.
yes. Good job.